All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Hinderer XM18 here with me and some skiffs to try to see if we can improve the action of this already amazingly dropping, gliding shot. You can use the fuller, kind of like maybe like that. You can use the stud. You can use like two hands, of course, like to deploy the blade. But anyways, we are here to try to see if we can do something here. We're gonna install this. You're gonna need like I like to use like something like this for the screw right over here, and sometimes you're gonna need like a spanner like this for this side right over here, right? To access the back. In this case is pretty loose, so it's good to go like this, so the pivot is just coming out. That is pretty straightforward, and the pivot just goes right over here. The screw. Then you know, we can just grab something like this, which I believe is number 2, and we can start taking the 3 standoff screws out. All right, then you have these 3 pieces. Scale comes off. You get this liner also coming off. It's pretty clean. We are grabbing just one of these alcohol swabs right over here and try to clean it up and see if we can swap the bearings. Maybe these are not the right ones. Maybe these are the right ones. Yeah. Anyways, I'll show you it in a second. I'm cleaning pretty much the tang of the blade. Let's also do a little bit of the inside like that. Very nice. I think this is the DLT exclusive battle black. See, flipper delete. Here you go. So that's clean. Fullered M390, right? Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so that's done. Let's see. I think it's gonna be a nice improvement for sure. I was looking for here you go. Actually, they fit pretty nice. I'm excited, guys. So 1, 2, and 3, and 1 right over here on the detent ball. And then we got the blade going right in place. This fella goes over there, and another 1, 2, and 3. Let's aband on the detent ball. So this guy goes right over here, and I think we can pretty much put the liner right back, disengage the tension, and boom. Sharp dress knives, provided the scale. I mean, I purchased this scale a while ago. Nice guy. He also gave a couple scales for the channel. We gave them away a while back. We should do like a 5K giveaway or something pretty soon, right? So here you go. So that is also in like that. I'm gonna have to tighten those, obviously. This is just like to have them in place, and this is also going to be like that. There you go. Pivot screw goes in as well. Really long. I'm just gonna do manually to speed things up, and then just my trusty Leatherman. Here you go. That is the free T4. Blade looks centered. Let's do a little bit less. Oh, yeah, pretty solid. Look at this, guys. Let's spread a little bit the oil. I was expecting a little bit. No, it's not centered. I was expecting something a little bit faster than this. Interesting. It's actually slower on Skiffs than... It's centered. I mean, look at this. Wow, guys. Check this out. It's like, it stopped, but kind of, it's going down like in slow motion. It's slower than before, but ooh, very, very satisfactory action right there. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.